हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल लाइव 5.2 के वी। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे सीआर तथा डीआर सिस्टम, डिजिटल रेडियोग्राफी। इन डिजिटल रेडियोग्राफी सिस्टम डिजिटल डिटेक्टर रिप्लेस फिल्म एंड स्क्रीन एंड ऑफ कन्वेंशनल रेडियोग्राफी। ठीक है, इसमें डिजिटल स्क्रीन कन्वेंशनल रेडियोग्राफी में होगा। दीज आर टू बेसिक types of digital radiography system depending on the types of detector used to capture radiographic information. पहला computed radiography and direct digital radiography, मतलब DR system. Advantage of digital radiography. पहला, non silver based or chemical are required to the film, reduce film storage cost to because the images can be stored digitally. A image accumulation is much faster. Image preview can be available in a second. ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एडवांटेज था डिजिटल रेडियोग्राफी का। नेक्स्ट है कंप्यूटेड रेडियोग्राफी। कंप्यूटेड रेडियोग्राफी uses very similar equipment to conventional radiography, as expert that in place of film is to create the image. An implant IP made of phosphate emulsifiable phosphor is used. The image plate is housed in the special cassette, and these cassette use just conventional cassette, and they instead the taking exposed to film and dark room developing and chemical tanks or automatically film processor. Imaging plate seen be through special laser scan and CR reader that can be read digital, and that image digital image can be viewed on monitor. Next is direct digital radiography. Unlike computer radiography, no phosphor containing cassette are used to generate and read an imaging in direct digital radiography. Instead, DR system comes for equipped with detector that transform X-ray radiation into electrical charge, which is later to a unit that proceed the image to be viewed and manipulated him. DR system and CR system differences. CR system is excellent equipment to be used. DR system is neat, costly setup. CR system, this is technique faster than conventional. CR system, this is a quicker because it more direct. Image resolution CR system is not good in DR. DR system में image resolution very high होती है. DR system बहुत costly होता है, जबकि DR system बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली होता है कंपेरिजन टू DR सिस्टम. CR सिस्टम बहुत कम कॉस्टली होता है कंपेरिजन टू DR सिस्टम के. ठीक है, एंड इसी तरह के वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल बने रहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल.